These ultra nutty pecan bars are the ideal compromise between a bar cookie and pecan pie. To make this recipe, you will need all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, salt, butter, lots of butter, brown sugar, corn syrup, vanilla extract, and pecans. Start by lining a 9 by 13 inch baking pan with parchment paper. You want about 2 inches of overhang to use as handles later. Next, heat the oven to 350 degrees. In a medium mixing bowl, combine the flour, granulated sugar, and half of the salt. Whisk this until well combined. Pour in 8 tablespoons of melted butter and stir with a wooden spoon until no dry streaks of flour remain. Finish mixing the dough with your hands. It's ready when you squeeze some in your palm and it holds together. It will be quite crumbly. Transfer the mixture to the prepared baking pan and using your hands, press the crumbs in an even layer in the bottom of the pan, making sure you get all the way into the corners. In the same bowl, prepare the filling. Combine the brown sugar, the corn syrup, the remaining butter, it's about 7 tablespoons, the vanilla, and the rest of the salt. Whisk this together. The mixture is going to look kind of greasy and separated at first, but keep whisking, it'll come together. And then add the pecans. Gently but thoroughly stir them until they are completely coated with the butter and brown sugar mixture. Spoon the pecans over your unbaked crust and then spread them in as even of a layer as you can. There will be some bare patches peeking through. That's absolutely fine. And then bake for 25 minutes or until the crust is golden and the filling is bubbly. It's going to be hard, but you need to let these cool completely before you cut them. A minimum of an hour and a half. I actually let them cool overnight. Once cool, use the parchment overhang as handles to lift the slab out of the pan and then cut them into squares. You'll get between 20 and 24 squares from a 9 by 13 inch pan. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos and recipes, visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.